What is our issues across Northeast? Daniel Langthasa is fighting for protection of 6th schedule. We are fighting for the protection of 6th schedule. There are common problems of illegal migration happening from neighboring countries, alienation of tribal land. अच्छा दिल्ली में अरुणाचली हो, दिमासा हो, गारो हो, नागा हो, त्रिपुरी हो, मिजो हो, बहुत जगह में हमारे लोगों के संग दुर्व्यवहार किया जाता है. अगर सिर्फ चाकमास ही जाके चाकमास के बारे में बात करेंगे, मिजोज ही जाके मिजोज के बारे में बात करेंगे, तिपरासा ही जाके तिपरासा या नागा, तो हमारी आवाज जो दिल्ली में है, हमारी संख्या कम है, बैंगलोर में संख्या कम है, तो हमारी आवाज कभी कभी सही जगह में पहुंचती नहीं. So this is where our students suffer. There are many professionals who are from the Northeast. There are many lawyers who are from the Northeast who again want a platform where they want to talk. That's why Conrad Sangmaji has told them that you are most welcome to join us. There are many journalists who are from the Northeast who sometimes feel that they are not being heard or they are being profiled. And I think it is our job as leaders from the Northeast to come together and articulate that. That was your question. Which are the common points?